Hi, welcome to this new section. Now our development environment is ready, and in this lecture we will make our first website. Let me close the brackets code editor. I will make a new folder on desktop and name it as HTML. As I already told you, there are many methods of opening brackets code editor. This one, which I am going to tell you right now, is my favorite. Right-click on this HTML folder and select this option which says Open as Brackets Project. This will open the folder and all the related files in the brackets editor. Currently, the folder is empty, which you can see here in the left pane. Let's make our first website. To make a new file, go to the left pane and right-click in this left pane. Select New File and give it a name. I will name it index.html. You can give any name to the HTML file, but make sure the extension is HTML. The extension can be HTML as well, but for this basic course, we will stick to HTML. We will also be making a number of files with different names. However, the index.html is the default file of every website, and you must have this file on your website. Let me write my first HTML website. This is pure text and we have not used any HTML markups. Our file is being saved automatically. If I make any changes, let me pause the video. You can see this white dot here with the name of the file. This dot denotes that the file has not been saved. As soon as the file is saved, the dot disappears. Okay, let me remove this extra text. Now I will be using the live preview functionality of brackets. You can see this flash-like symbol here, and when I hover over it, you can see this little tooltip which says Live Preview. Click on this to open the Live Preview. When you run the Live Preview for the first time, you will get this dialog box. Click OK and it will open the Google Chrome browser. Here you can see your first website. Let me erase the window so that you can see the code and the website side by side. On my left, I have the code window, and on my right, I have my browser window. As we have started the live preview, so any changes which I make here must be reflected in this window in real time. So if I write, "This is awesome," you can see that the website has been updated instantaneously. That's all for this lecture. See you in next lesson.